I'm Creative Crambo, back with another one.
100mm thick concrete pathway. In this video I'm going to show you how to put an expansion joint through there using them block pavers. They recommend 30 times the thickness of the slab, so my slab's 100mm, times that by 30, that's 3000 millimeters, so every 3 meters, and it'll be putting in an expansion joint. I'm going to do mine at 8 foot. Just works out nice for the job I'm doing here. I'm doing 8 foot. Pathway is 2 meters wide, and the fall I'm doing is 20 mil over 2 meters. So I've got the expansion joints to put in through here. What I have done is set out both sides on the block paver. What that allows me to do is pull off there now. I'll just put a pin into there, corner block on there, run a line through, and that'll be my finished height. Like I said, these are the bad boys I'm using, these block pavers, 80mm thick, nice strong job. I'm also laying them on a 4 or 5 inch bed of concrete, haunching up the concrete as it goes well. Nice and strong job. So all I'll be doing is hooking my tape on there. I'll run out 8 foot, outside to inside, and then I'll run a course of block pavers through there, and that will be my expansion. So it is quite important to do an expansion in concrete. Yeah, 30 times the thickness. I'm doing 8 foot bays. They're nice and manageable for me, and it works out perfect for what I'm doing. But yeah, expansion joints are really important in concrete. You've got to allow for movement and stuff like that. So, and you do not want any cracking out in your concrete. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do these. Work my way along. Let's do it. Yeah, all the concrete I'm using, I'm mixing up myself. There's about a ton there, ton of ballast. And what I've got there is 6 bags of cement. I'll mix it up myself with the machine. Not too wet, not too dry. Yeah, so this section of pathway I've just formed is 22 meters long. In total there's 8 bays ready for concreting. I've got 2 more expansions to do, one there and just one through there. This is how I'm doing the expansion now. What I've done here is just cut straight through the concrete there. Separated these pathways now and made them into 8 foot bays. Cut through there as well. Then all I've done is use this brickfill, foam brickfill there, and I've stuck that on the front of the blocks. Then the concrete comes into there. It's quite important to get expansion in your pathway, concrete pathway. You've got to allow for movement, and also as well you've got to allow for the concrete to expand and contract. That's quite important. 22 meters long. If I didn't have any expansion in this pathway, there would be a lot of cracks in the concrete. Just work through here methodically, one section at a time. Yeah, so 22 meters long. 8 bays ready for concreting. I've got 2 more expansions to do. This gets rebar in here as well, reinforcement mesh, 10mm thick. Nice strong job, 4 inches of concrete. Yeah, it's quite a long run. Yeah, so on this brickfill expansion form, this expansion joint form, there's a 10mm bit there what you can take out. Now what that allows you to do is, once you've concreted, you remove that 10mm bit there at the top, then you can mastic or fill up your joint there going through it there. Always remember to keep that to the top, ready for taking out. Yeah, just going to give you a close-up of me doing this expansion. I'm going to lay those 80mm block pavers. That's my finished height of the line there. I'm going to lay the block pavers to the line, and then what I'll do is stick the expansion form to the front of the block with a little bit of CT1. Get your bed just right. Get your iron. Didn't make this concrete too wet neither. A little bit stiff. Just haunch this back up a little bit, just to hold the blocks in place. I'm going to be pressing against them in a minute. Yeah, what I'm going to do is stick this to the side of the block, an expansion form. That's the way to do it. Making sure you've got your cut out bit at the top. I'll feed that in there. bit of that out. I've got a full depth of the block. Right the way through. Got a bit of cutting to do there. It's alright. Okay, expansion joint there on the side of the block. Level with the top of the block, the full depth of the block. All I'll do now is just nip the bottom of that block so that don't move. And that is another expansion joint complete. Making sure that's stuck on nicely. And the concrete comes into there. Lovely. Got my last two expansion joints in there now. They worked out really good. Nice and neat as well. Right through. These 8 bays now are ready for reinforcement mesh. There'll also be 4 inches of concrete going in here as well. Nice strong job. 22 metres long. You've got to get them expansions in. It's quite an important job. One thing's for sure, this concrete pathway will not crack out. Nice.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.